Hi, my name is Chris Ivy, and I'm going to be part of the Game Changer project from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, which is technically named one of the most livable cities in America, but depends on who you ask and where you live. I'll be covering a part of it, and Jaziri also will be covering another part of it. This is probably the only time that you see me on camera. I'm going to stay behind the camera because it's not about me, it's about all of us and how we got to change this whole cycle. It's time for us to rise up, and we can only do this together. And it's just like, I mean, for so long, for us in the black community, I don't know what happened. We lost our way between, MLK to Obama. And especially when I try to ask young kids to, name black leaders between you and me and Obama. And nobody can, not really name any of them at all, And this is like a lot of stuff we got to change. I mean, there are so many falsehoods that we get caught up in, and it's all crap. We got to take control again. And we can only do that together. I'm proud to be a part of the Game Changer program. And let's get to work.